Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how to fix Discord calls not working. So first of all, you're going to have to head over to your Play Store and let's see if our Discord is updated or not. Tap on the search button, then type in Discord. If you see that your Discord is showing update like mine, tap on update and update your app. Now next thing you could try is launching your Discord, then tap on the U button. From here, tap on the gear icon and scroll all the way below until you see the voice or something related with the voice. You will see it under app settings, tap on voice. So make sure that this output volume is full. Scroll below, under overlay, toggle this on that says enable mobile voice overlay. Now head over to your settings application. Scroll all the way below until you see apps. Here also search for Discord, so tap on Discord. Go for permissions. Under permission, make sure the music and audio is set to allow. Now, likewise, let's also go ahead, clear the cache. So tap on storage and clear cache. Once you have done that, restart your device, launch your Discord, and it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.